Well, after a brief lull, the ATM thieves are at it again. Two miscreants attempted to break into the ATM of Karnataka Bank, which is located near Bhasham Circle of Sadashiv Nagar. The incident took place at around midnight when two men attempted to break open the ATM to loot cash. But they were unsuccessful in their attempt, hit highest and fled the spot. The cops are now looking into the CCTV footage to gather more clues about the miscreants. Well, my colleague Harish was at the spot just a while back.
After a long gap, miscreants have once again targeted an ATM in the city. We are in 13th Cross, Sadashiv Nagar. This is where an ATM attached to the service branch of Karnataka Bank was targeted last night. Around 1:30, we are told that four miscreants who came in an auto tried to attack and tried to get their hands on the cash inside the ATM. Four miscreants came in. Two of them were keeping a guard outside the ATM and two others entered the ATM. Meanwhile, this ATM has a security guard. The security guard noticed that two men were entering the ATM with rods. So he went inside this battery room that has been made for the logistics of this ATM machine. So he was inside that. He locked the door. He immediately called up the other security guards in a nearby Punjab National Bank ATM and another state bank ATM, and they rushed in. In the meanwhile, these two miscreants who entered this ATM turned down that CCTV camera inside the ATM. After that, they started to break open this particular ATM machine over here. They managed to first open this particular door over here, behind which is the secret vault that keeps the cash. They managed to only break this particular door, that's it. They couldn't manage to open the other one, the secret vault. In the meanwhile, these two other security guards who were alerted by this security guard over the phone came in from the Punjab National Bank that is across the road, and that's when these two miscreants escaped from the spot. Meanwhile, their faces have been caught in the CCTV camera, one over here inside the ATM and the other over here that's outside the ATM. This ATM also has an alarm as well. The police are now trying to get their hands on this particular CCTV footage. There's also an image capturing system inside the ATM machine as well. So the police are hopeful that with all these evidence and with the footage as well as eyewitnesses, they will be able to crack this case very soon. With camera person Ram, Harish Upadhyaya, News 9, Bengaluru.